So, madam, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome to Dogo Presby Primary and JHS. You are welcome, and then we have seen you, but we don't know you, so we want to know you. We have seen that you are with an organization, and we want you to tell us about your organization.
Yes, thank you very much. And then, my name is Gertrude Owi Makati, the CEO of United in Heart for Development. Today we are at Dogo JHS to educate the children on menstrual health and hygiene. But our organization, like you rightly asked, is an NGO, non-government, and then we are into education, we are into women and children, and then the other one is about education. So like we have done today, we have brought an education to our children here in the community, and then what is all about is that we came to survey, and then we realized that some of the children in the various communities get pregnant. One, they are not able to afford the disposable sanitary towels. So from our investigations, we realized that no, we have to do something as soon as possible for our children. So we decided to collaborate with Days for Girls. So we are here today to educate them and then to give them free sanitary towels, especially the reusable ones, and then so that they can start using it. But then before we also leave, we want to put it to the public that for those who are ready to help us, they are always welcome. We need sponsorship so that we could reach a larger audience, at least all of the schools in the communities and beyond, for a better health for our children. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. I have seen that you are with some people, so I want to inquire from them what they will also do to help us. So, Mr. Chairman, this is a disposable towel for our youth, or for reusable towel for our youth or the young girls. Considering our situation, we want to know from you, what are you going to do at the office, the district assembly, so that we will be able to afford more of this to share for our girls?
Thank you very much, madam. My name is Honorable Noah Doga. I am the assembly member for Tamatoko electoral area, and also the area council chairman for Kase area, which this particular Dogo is part of. You know, I met this NGO, and what attracted me most was, he said they fight against hunger and poverty. So I said, really, yeah, this is what I also intend doing. So I will partner with them. Now they came here with these reusable pads. But the challenge is we have more than 15,000 school children in this district. I'm appealing to the assembly, especially, if I say the assembly, I have to channel it through the Ghana Education Service, the district office, so that they send this information to the assembly, that we need support in terms of production, distribution, packaging, and all that, because 15,000 children, you have to produce. You can't rely on some people to be bringing it to you. The district itself have to take it as a project to produce more, because now we have 15,000. Next year, those who enter into the puberty stage will be more than another 15,000. So there is a big challenge in the district for this reusable pad. I'm appealing to the assembly and then the education office to support this project in terms of cash and whatever, to raise the girls from deceiving them with Indomie and then small mobile phone and then 5 CDs. I beg them, they should support the project. It's laudable project. Thank you so much.
We are happy also that our girl child educator is here with us, and she's also from the education office. So Madam Girl Child, that is the name that we used to call her, Madam Girl Child. So Madam Girl Child, this is our field. What are we going to do from the office, from the director, so that we go to the district and we look at for support on how to get these things for our girls?
Thank you very much. In fact, for the sanitary pad, the girls need it because most of them, during their menstrual period, they don't come to school because parents could not afford the sanitary pad. Others too, they fall on young boys to support them with the sanitary pad, and then they are getting pregnant. So what we can do now is to ask from support from the district assembly, the MPs, and maybe the banks, individuals who will be able to support, so that we'll be able to cover all the schools for the girls to be punctual in school, and then to stop them from getting pregnant due to the boys who are abusing them because of 5 cedis for sanitary pad. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Madam Days for Girls. As for whatever you do, that becomes your name. So Madam Day for Girls, how are we going to get these things? Are we going to always rely on the NGO? Are we going to the district? Who will produce this for us?
Thank you. Not Days for Girls, but then my name is Rosina, and then I work with Days for Girls, but for Dream Big Ghana. And like Sister Gertrude has said, you can get this pad in Accra. They are produced at Days for Girls. So when you look on your pad, you see that it's customized because Days for Girls is written on it. And then this one is going for 10 Ghana cedi. Okay, so every girl who actually received this pad today is receiving 10 cedi today. And then we have other packages that we have 45 cedi. 45 cedi have 2 shield, 2 new panty, and then 8 pad that the girl child can use as long as 4 years, 3 to 4 years. Today, for this interview, we want the public to know that this is a good initiative from United Heart, and then we want them to support her so that every girl child will not only get the pad, but get a nicer package or a bigger package of this, which is going out for 45 Ghana cedi. So you can just imagine what the assemblyman said. Those number of girls, if you have to buy pad 45 cedi for every girl, that is going to be a huge money. So we need the support, and they should just support it so we can reach every girl and then prevent teenage pregnancy, reduce maternal mortality, and then child mortality. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All that we are saying is that this is a lot of money, and we need this for 15,000 girls in Adan East District. So all that we are saying is that if you are a manager, you are a doctor, the district assembly, the nurses, a teacher, a head teacher, we need money. Support us. We know you are going to support us. Support United in Heart for Development. Support Days for Girls in Ghana, so that our girls will be prevented from getting teenage pregnancy and be involving in premarital sex, and then mortal rate will reduce. So all this is all that we are seeking for. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for your support. Thank you.